Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our comparison video of compost versus mulch. Watch until the end to find out which is the best choice for you. So the main difference between compost and mulch is improving soil fertility. Compost is primarily used to help retain soil moisture, increase nutrient availability, and improve the soil's overall health. Mulch is used primarily to suppress weed growth, regulate soil temperature, and retain soil moisture. Therefore, compost is the best choice for improving soil fertility. Consists of: compost is usually made from kitchen scraps and yard waste. It consists of organic matter whose decay adds nutrients to the soil and supports the soil's microorganisms like earthworms. Mulch, on the other hand, consists of layers used to cover the top of the soil and is made out of organic and non-organic materials like wood chips, plastic sheeting, rubber, cardboard, newspaper, hardwood, grass clippings, and tree leaves. Therefore, compost is the best option since it incorporates materials that can be naturally broken down and is suitable for the soil. Placement: compost materials are mixed into the soil to enrich it with organic, decaying nutrients, while mulch is usually placed on top of the soil for aesthetic purposes or to prevent the growth of weeds. Therefore, composting is the better option since it improves the soil's overall health by adding nutrients. Compost is also the better alternative since it enriches the entire garden bed. How it works: compost is organic matter used to loosen up the dense nature of soil, making it easier for plants to grow. The decay in the organic materials allows soil to hold water and nutrients better. Mulch is often used in garden beds and around plants to protect it. It allows moisture to be retained in the soil while preventing unwanted plants from growing. Therefore, compost is the best alternative, creating an environment where plants can grow and thrive. The table clearly shows that compost is a much better alternative for gardening since its materials are readily available and good for the environment. On the other hand, mulch is a good option for keeping weeds from springing up in your garden. Similarities: compost and mulch are great options for helping maintain the health of soil and plants. Both options ensure that the soil in your garden provides the best environment for plant growth. Verdict: so, which one is better? Though you can use both methods in your garden, compost is the better option for soil health. It enriches the soil, which in turn improves soil structure, which is necessary for the growth of healthy plants. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.